The wait is finally over as we now officially have the date for Samsung's next major Unpacked event for their upcoming flagship devices, which in this case should be the follow-up to the Z Fold 3 and the popular Z Flip 3. For flip's sake, the teaser trailer itself for the event directly from Samsung not only shows the date of announcement, but pretty much the flip device itself. Hi, Ben for SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Let's take a quick look at the latest Unpacked teaser trailer for August 2022. This short and sweet 19-second teaser trailer dropped on the 20th of July via Samsung's official mobile Twitter page and wasted no time in showcasing the main device that will be headlining Unpacked. The first few seconds starts by showing the full hinge with the Samsung logo of what we can assume will be called the Z Flip 4 in a dark silhouette presentation with the device in a purple color finish. Minus the rear design of the phone, which would have shown the cover display and the cameras, the sides of the Z Flip is showcased in the next few seconds up onto the 8-second mark of the teaser where it actually opens up. This then transitions to the Unpacked Cube, then back to the side of the Z Flip with the unveiled date of 10th of August for the announcement with the finishing quote of "Unfold your world." Now, it's safe to say that this event is front and center all about Samsung's latest foldable flagships, and we are indeed eager to see what upgrades will be brought forward. Now, words from Dr. T.M. Rowe as of today, from the time of this recording on the 21st of July, from Samsung's newsroom pretty much states that the mainstream moment for foldable smartphones is here. Now, we will link it in the description below for the full read, but it indeed does look like Samsung are building on the success of the Z Flip 3. Now, as for me personally, as I'm more on the side of Team Fold, nothing was showcased in the trailer in regards to the upcoming version. The element of surprise is something that I'm still a fan of and I'm actually happy to have in this case, but I am still eager to see what improvements Samsung will be bringing to the follow-up of the Fold 3, from the design, the cameras, and even as far as maybe making the crease less visible. Fingers crossed. Wrapping it all up, if we take a look at this time last year, we had a few new watches and buds announced at the same time. Should we be expecting a follow-up, or is there going to be a surprise new device like we did have at the beginning of the year with something like the Freestyle projector? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube or SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.